How to select all photo on iPhone on iOS 26. Guys, unlike an Android device, there's no an option that will let you to select all your photos once on your iPhone. But let's try this particular settings up. Now go to the photo layers and tap on it. Here you have access to all the photos you have on your device. Go ahead and tap on select. Now that I've tapped on select, tap just one of the photos here. And once you've selected that photo, drag your finger like this to move around the screen, up and down to highlight all other photos. Now you can see that as you move your hand around and it comes up like this. Now you can tap on this button to delete all the photo you've selected. Then you can tap on this share button, guys, to perform other action like save to file, remove background, and other important informations like that. So that's all the simple, guys, on how to select all photo on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.